Heather from Foundations Hair and Makeup. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a waterfall braid. You will need a comb or a brush, bobby pins and elastics that match your natural hair color, a curling iron for your finishing touches, and a hairspray and a smoother. We're going to use a Veda Control Force and a Veda Style Prep Smoother today. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so to start, we're going to start with our smoother, and we're going to take just a pump and run it through her hair to get rid of any little frizzies, and comb it through. And we're going to start in the front with just a regular French braid. So 3 strands, and we're going to go overhand. So 1, 2, 3, just crossing over. And you want to get your braid established, so we're going to go a few times, bringing hair in because it's a French braid. Alright, and once you have a few crosses, we're going to start making the waterfall. So any hair that comes from up here is going to get dropped. So I'm going to bring hair in, just like I would with a French braid, but down here I'm going to drop it. Cross over, and I'm going to pick up a new piece of hair from underneath. And we want this piece of hair to be about the same width as the hair that we dropped. So here's my new piece of hair, and that becomes the 3rd strand in the braid. And then we just continue, cross over, bring some hair in, and we're going to drop it. So that piece gets dropped too. Okay, pick up our next strand of hair about the same width. This becomes our new 3rd strand. Cross over, bring some hair into it, and drop it. Pick up our new piece of hair. Cross over, bring some hair into it, and drop it. Pick up our new piece of hair. And last one, cross over, bring some hair into it, drop it. And we'll pick up our new piece of hair. To finish this braid, you're going to take your 3 strands and just braid them in a normal 3-strand braid. And you can do this all the way around her head, or you can do what we're going to do today and just stop it. I'm going to tie it off with an elastic. And we're going to use a bobby pin to secure it underneath her hair. Now all these pieces that we dropped, we want to make sure that they stand out. That's what makes it a waterfall braid. So we're going to take our curling iron, and if you want to make it look natural, you can curl one towards the front and then curl the next one towards the back. And curl the whole section together so it stands out more. We're going to curl this one towards the front. And we're going to take this one and curl it towards the back. And this one towards the front. This one towards the back. And we'll finish it off with just a little bit of hairspray. And we can break them up a little. If you want to tighten your braid, just pull down on these and it'll pull the whole braid tighter for you. And there you have a beautiful waterfall braid.